Welcome to St. Francis Animal Hospital. My name is Dr. Frank Battiato, and today we're going to talk about your pet's dental care. Dental care is probably the one area of your pet's medical care that the owner can actually have the most interaction with and the most effect on. It may be one of the single most areas that you can affect directly your animal's life expectancy. It's not so much that his teeth are important, and they are, but that bacteria that grows in their mouth gets into their circulation, it goes to their kidneys, it goes to their liver, and it goes to their heart valves, and eventually causes heart murmurs and heart disease. And those are the conditions that we see most as your dog gets older. And when you take proper care of your animal's oral cavity through brushing their teeth and through other things that we will get to later, you can actually decrease the chances or the incidence of all these serious conditions as your animal gets older. You know, a lot of times I've been doing this for a long time now, and I speak to owners about their animal's teeth. And if your animal has a skin condition, everyone rushes right in. If your animal, is vomiting or has diarrhea, everyone rushes right in. But when their animal has bad breath, it doesn't seem to bother them. I'll see animals and I'll tell owners, their teeth are really infected. Oh, it's not bothering them, we can get to that later. They don't realize, even when you try to tell them how important it is, how it impacts the pet's health. It's not going to matter to the dog. Your dog's breath in the morning when he gives you a kiss it would be nice if it was minty fresh, but it's not going to make a difference to your dog. This is something to affect their health, not necessarily their quality of life at the time of the dental. So what can you do for your pet at home? Brushing their teeth is probably the best thing that you can do, but that takes some time. You only have to do the outside surfaces of the teeth. You do not have to do the inside surfaces. And certainly if your dog is aggressive, I'm not suggesting that you try to brush his teeth and get bit. Same thing with a cat. Some cats are tolerant of it, some cats are not. Brushing their teeth is the best thing that you can do, but there are other things. If your animal likes to chew on things, there are actually dental chews that they can chew that have enzymes in them to help break down that tartar and kill the bacteria in their mouth. It's almost like brushing their teeth. We have additives that you can put in the water that is very passive. All you have to do is just put a capful per pint in the water, and when they drink it, it's almost like a mouthwash that's okay to swallow. It kills the bacteria that causes the tartar, and that's perfectly fine. So as far as brushing your teeth goes, I don't recommend you attack them with a toothbrush right away. If you have a young puppy or if your dog isn't used to it, they're not going to want to do that. So what I usually recommend to people is just put a little bit of toothpaste on your finger, rub it on their teeth and gums, and again, this is a dog, but same thing for cats. You just want to rub it on their teeth and gum on the outside. Do not try to go inside, that's when you're going to get bit. And you don't have to do like people do on the occlusal surfaces. Just the outside, that's where the majority of the tartar builds up. After they're comfortable with the taste, because most of these dental toothpaste for dogs either, are chicken flavor or beef flavor, they like the taste, they think they're getting a treat, then you can actually try something a little abrasive, like a piece of gauze, or a lot of these have actually finger brushes that you put on your fingers, but you don't want to attack them with a brush right away. Or then every time the dog sees the tube of toothpaste, or your cat sees the tube of toothpaste, they're going to disappear. The chews, again, this is just one product, but these have enzymes in them to help break down that tartar. And if your dog likes to chew, the main teeth that they chew with is these backs, and that is going to help take care of the main tartar buildup that forms on these teeth. Even people who brush their teeth, very often they do up here, but they forget about the back teeth. So this helps with that also. Again, just another product. This is the liquid that you would add to the water. It's just a passive way. It would be great if you could brush your animal's teeth 7 days a week, but realistically, most people don't have time for that. If you can maybe brush them once or twice a week, give them a treat once or twice a week, add something to the water a couple of times a week, now you're doing something almost every day, and that little bit is going to go a long way in extending your pet's life. The best time to start, obviously, is when your dog is a puppy or your cat is a kitten, but it's never too late to start. When they're puppies and kittens, you can actually do this a little bit less because they're going to lose those teeth probably by about 5 to 6 months of age. Then after that, they get their permanent adult teeth. So in the beginning, you're just really doing this more as a training procedure than an actual cleaning procedure. But if your dog is older, it is never too late to train an old dog new tricks or an older animal new tricks. You can certainly start brushing their teeth later on also. It is that important. Even though you're going to be brushing your pet's teeth and taking care of your teeth, just like I'm sure you brush your own teeth, and your kids brush their own teeth, occasionally they're going to need dental care. The more you do at home, it's true, the less you're going to need me to get involved, but even though you're brushing the teeth or taking care, tartar is still going to build up. Just like tartar builds up on your teeth, occasionally you need to go to the dentist for a cleaning. And those cleanings are very important as part of their general health treatment. Just like vaccines are important and yearly checkups are important, occasional dentals are necessary. It does involve general anesthesia, and that scares a lot of people, but what we're actually doing when we do that procedure is with them under anesthesia, just like the machine your dentist has and uses for you, we scale all the tartar, we go under the gum and get all the tartar and the bacteria out. Then after all the tartar is gone, we polish the teeth and we seal them so that all the bacteria is gone, all of the tartar is gone, and now your animal has a much healthier oral cavity, which is what really we're trying to do here to prevent the problems later on. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe below, like and share. And if there are any other videos you would be interested in seeing in the future, please comment below and I'll do my best to get those out there to you. Also, you can check out our additional videos and I hope you find them informative. Thank you very much.